Hey guys, Tiffany here, and today I am doing another merch haul from yet another really cool small business. And speaking of small businesses, I am rocking my Modern Alchemy House of Crystals sweatshirt, and absolutely love it. This is so comfortable. I love the black tie-dye. So I'm totally, and I want to put my black cat pillow here, totally just feeling those small businesses, because it's really important to go out there and support them. Whatever small business is your favorite one, make sure you go out and support it, whether it's in person, online, because it is really important that we support these businesses. So so I am going to be doing an unboxing merch haul of Witchy Hollow, which is a clothing company. They also sell some accessories too. And yeah, this is the package. If you're familiar with Nightmare on Elm Street, it's like obviously this is Freddy Krueger's sweater design. But yeah, that's the packaging it comes in. Really super cool. And I've always had a good experience with shopping with these guys, and it's a woman-owned business. And and their designs are like, they're very kitschy, but they also kind of have like a retro feel to them too. So let's get right into it. And I'm gonna put my cat back up here, so hopefully he'll stay. All right. So let's see. I did bring my box cutter, but let's see if I can just kind of rip this package open. Yes, it rips open very easily. So, all right. So first I got this t-shirt. It's purple. It's the forest. It's the forest tarot. I got another sweatshirt with the Shadow Hunter, which that's something the Shadow Hunter is something I identified with, just because I have been doing a lot of inner work, taking care of like all, shadows and, your shadow self, and really coming to like know your inner child, things like that. So that's something I really identified with. And then the forest is also something that I identified with too. The forest, number one, I love forests. I love going out in the woods, love going out there and grounding, because I think that's really important too, to get out in nature. But also with the forest, it's like, when you're, coming through the dark to the light at the end of the tunnel, you're coming out, you're going through the forest and like coming out. So I really kind of identified with this. Just like I said, just with the inner work theme. And and I got this, I got kind of like a pinkish purple, just for something a little bit different, because obviously I do wear a lot of dark colors. I think dark colors suit me well, but sometimes it's just nice to go a little bit brighter. So, all right, so I got that. And then, I got this Nevermore sweatshirt featuring the Raven. The Raven is one of my favorite Edgar Allan Poe poems. I've been a huge Edgar Allan Poe fan since like maybe 5th grade. And I've had a lifelong fascination with crows and ravens, and I've recently been getting more into Celtic mythology. I mean, I've always been into Celtic mythology, but lately I've really just been delving hard into it, and the goddess, the Morrigan, and and one of the signs of the Morrigan is a crow or a raven. So also in honor of that, and Celtic, just like Celtic history, Celtic culture, as well as Edgar Allan Poe, Nevermore. So there's that. And this is, oh cool, so this is just like a card. Thanks for shopping with us, and got 10% off, so that's cool of my next purchase. And they also and it came on the Sleepy Hollow card too. So I like that. I might put this up on my refrigerator during spooky season. So I'm starting to decorate for that. And they usually also throw in a couple of cool freebies as well. And they gave me this cool little bookmark as like a little freebie. And then also, what is this? It has something to do with Wednesday. Let's see. What is this? So let us see what it is if I could open it. Oh, cool. So a Wednesday. So this is a Wednesday sticker. It's not just part of the packaging. That makes me happy. And I still need to figure out what this guy is. So, okay. So it's mango milkshake. Mango milkshake something. Is this lip balm? It's something mango milkshake. It is lip balm. Okay, it's written in teeny tiny letters, but it's milk balm and it's mango milkshake. Oh, that sounds delicious. I'll definitely have to give this a try, and maybe I'll review this mango milkshake sampler in a YouTube short. So, all right, but okay, well that was my haul for Witchy Hollow, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And I'm actually, because they recently announced that the store Claire's might be closing, which I kind of find that a little sad. I'm sure like many of us, especially if you're of the millennial generation, we probably we spent a good deal of time at Claire's. So but it's just, I was like, oh man, it's like part of your childhood is going. So I might actually do a vlog where I make what might be one last visit to Claire's. I don't know, because I think they're still looking for a buyer, but if they don't, they're just going to close all their stores. So I don't know. That's kind of sad. Although there were some things I didn't really agree with their ear piercing practices, because I did work there for a short period of time. Maybe I'll do a story time on that. And I didn't really agree with the ear piercing practices. That was just no bueno. But everything else, it's hey, that's like my childhood going away. But anyway, maybe I'll do a vlog on that too, because I'm planning on, visiting there pretty soon, just in case. Just in case you can't anymore in the near future. So, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. And there's a lot more to come, including my 30 days of Halloween, which I'm really looking forward to doing. So, all right, so I will see you in the next video. Take care.